Let me ask you a question. Can you earn more money in your business by doing less? I think so. And in this video, I'm going to show you why I think that's true. I'm going to show you a simple way that I think you can get started in as little as 30 minutes. It's an approach I call offer triage. If we've never met, my name is Tad Stevens. Since 2004, I've run my own online businesses as well as helping others just like you. The number one thing that I've found over these years is that the single biggest thing that gets in the way in my business as well as others is lack of focus. And here's why that happens. It's estimated that an adult in the USA sees over 30,000 promotional messages each and every day. We're all constantly inundated with information. We're being told that we need to do a whole lot of stuff in our business and in our life over and over and over again. This is partly because repeated information is often perceived as more truthful than new information. This is known as the illusory truth effect. Because of that effect, we think we really need to do all these different things because they must be true, right? And because of that, we get into a state of overwhelm. And that prevents you from being able to focus on what's truly important, which is making more money in your business. So what do I do about that? It's really simple and basic. The solution is to stop focusing on the stuff you think you have to do and start focusing on two simple things: what you actually want and the simplest, most efficient way to get it. I know, it sounds too easy. Offer Triage is what makes that happen. And I'd like to let you try it today for free. Here's how this approach works. It is literally customized for your type of business, your experience level, and the goals that you want to achieve. And this is critical. Remember how I told you that the source of overwhelm is all that information that makes you feel like you have to do too much stuff. Well, as good as the information might be, it's most likely not relevant to those critical things: your exact type of business, your experience level, and the specific goals you want to achieve. Using Offer Triage, I'll show you how I can help you by actually helping you in 30 minutes or less with no strings or obligation for free. We'll find out what type of business you have, what your experience level is, what your most important immediate goals are, and we'll use the answers that you give to put together a custom plan, custom designed to be relevant to your business, to match your experience level, to help you get exactly what you say that you wanted to get in 30 minutes or less without strings or obligation. And if by some chance I can't help you, I'm happy to recommend someone that can. I don't do a lot of these, so if you want this, let me know by scheduling a time on my calendar. If you're seeing this video, that means there's a spot open. So pick a time, and in 30 minutes or less, we'll find 2 or 3 things you can do in the next 30 days to make more money in your business in less time than ever before. I'll see you on the call.